Hi and welcome back to Curly Beauty, and I have another unboxing. I'm not going to waste your time. I'm going to get it open right now. It is a CurlBox unboxing. It is a non-subscription CurlBox unboxing, so you can get what's in these boxes if you head to curlbox.com right now. I will put a picture of how it looks right now because it changes all the time if the boxes sell out, but this is what was available when I was on there, and I even got a deal because on Instagram they were showing a flash sale. Let's get the box open. So my items are here. It's another box and box that was in the box. So this is a box that's been on the CurlBox site for a while, and some of the items I've already tried, but I said, you know what, let me just get them. It's a deal. So the first item is the Strengthening Deep Conditioner with JOJOBA and MONOI from BODYWORKS, and that's outside of the box because it can't fit with the others. So here's the box. It's the Battle of the Brands CurlBox. I think it's all deep conditioners. So yeah, it's masks, deep treatments, and rich conditioners. So let's go through them. Most of them I have tried, but I still wanted to get this box to show it to you all. So like I mentioned, this BODYWORKS, I'm not sure if I tried this. If I did, it was years ago. And when I say years ago, I mean the beginning of me embracing my natural hair, which was probably 2014, 2015, if I used this one. Next is the MIELLE BABASSU and Mint Deep Conditioner, and I've used this plenty of times. I really do like it. It has a strong scent for those of you who do not like strong scents, but it's a great deep conditioner. Next is the PALMER'S Cocoa Butter Formula Length Retention Deep Conditioner. I don't remember how I felt about this. I'll update you on how I felt about this, but I think I did use this, and the stylers were heavy for my hair. I'm not sure if I posted a video about it. I'll link the video down below if I did mention this in the video. I will also link the video down below of me using the MIELLE product. Next is a Kenra Nourishing Mask. I used to use this when I was straightening my hair, and Kenra is a pretty good brand that I like their products. I use their blow dry spray, which helps blow dry your hair faster. Another one is this Curls Cashmere and Caviar hair mask. I've used this years ago. I did not do a video on it, but I had this whole hair collection, and I do think I liked it, but I wasn't really filming much at the time. So I'm interested in trying this again, and maybe even trying the whole collection and filming it so you can see. And last but not least is this WAKATI. I've never heard of this brand. Water Activated Advanced Conditioner. So I don't know much about this. I will check them out. But it says the WAKATI brand design and business plan was co-developed with the Florida A&M University business student. Okay, that's cool. In the little booklet, it says, these are the battles. This is moisture retention versus length retention. So it's these two. They are the rich conditioners that are battling against each other. So maybe I'll do like them versus each other and put the video out back to back. The other ones are the masks. So this is the Strand Reconstructor versus the Luxurious Smoothing. So we'll see how these go against each other. And I've used those two, so I don't remember. It's been a while for both. And then these two are the moisture retention versus the length retention. I know this made my hair feel really nice. I don't remember how this made my hair feel, but they can battle as well. So on top of that, CurlBox announced that they had a flash sale, that if you bought a certain amount or something, you get a discounted other box. I forget what's in this box. Let's go through it right now. Oh yeah, so you would get the Tangle Teezer Box for a discount, which is a really good deal. So I was like, I gotta get this. So the first item is this Ultimate Detangler for Wet Hair Detangling Brush Tangle Teezer, and that's a full-size brush. The next one is the, oh, okay. This one, the first one is for all hair types. This one is the detangling brush, and it says naturally curly, and this is for type 3C to 4C hair types. So it'd be nice to see how they both work on my hair and also on other hair that I can use it on. They look similar, but we'll see. Oh, here's a little booklet that explains it. Alright, so this one, the Ultimate Detangler, says it's for super long and sensitive curls. And this one is for 3C to 4C type textures, which I said. It's supposed to have longer and firmer teeth. Next is this Thick and Curly Tool Brush. It's for detangling, and this is for thick, wavy, and coarse hair. So it has the longer teeth for thick hair. And I already have a few of these, but you can never have too many. This is the Scalp Exfoliator and Massager, and you can use it for wet or dry hair. And it also has a little booklet from Tangle Teezer. It talks about these brushes as well as other ones. And it says where you can get them: Target, Ulta, CVS, and Walgreens. So they say they have brushes for every hair type, so if you're having problems detangling, maybe try them out. Those were my 2 non-subscription curl boxes. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing, and I hope that I helped you decide if you want to try one of these non-subscription boxes or even the CurlBox subscription. Stay tuned for the battle where I use some of these deep conditioners, and from Wash and Goes where I might try to use some of these Tangle Teezers. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I cannot wait to see you in the next one. Bye.